Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be talking about the OnePlus 11 concept, a sneak peek at what OnePlus might have in store for their upcoming flagship smartphone. This concept has been created by a talented designer, and it showcases some exciting features and design elements. So, let's dive in and explore the OnePlus 11 concept. The OnePlus 11 concept has a sleek and futuristic design that is sure to catch your eye. It has a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, which is great for watching videos and playing games. The device has a metal frame and a glass back cover that comes in two colors, glacier blue and midnight black. It also has an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is very responsive and accurate. The OnePlus 11 concept has a quad camera setup at the back, which consists of a 108MP primary camera, a 16MP ultra-wide-angle camera, an 8MP telephoto camera, and a 5MP macro camera. The camera performance is impressive, and it takes stunning photos in both daylight and low-light conditions. It also has a variety of camera modes like night mode, portrait mode, and panorama. The OnePlus 11 concept is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 895 processor, which is the latest and greatest processor in the market. It has 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, which is lightning fast and perfect for running multiple apps and games. The device runs on Oxygen OS 13, which is based on Android 12. The UI is clean, and the phone is lightning fast, even when running the most demanding apps and games. The OnePlus 11 concept comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last you through the day, even with heavy usage. It also supports 125W fast charging, which means you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. The OnePlus 11 concept also has some exciting features like wireless charging, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2. It also has a built-in projector that can project images and videos up to 100 inches in size. This feature is perfect for watching movies and TV shows on the go. Overall, the OnePlus 11 concept is an exciting glimpse into what OnePlus might have in store for their upcoming flagship smartphone. It has a sleek design, impressive camera performance, lightning-fast performance, a long-lasting battery, and some exciting features like wireless charging and a built-in projector. We can't wait to see what the final product looks like, but if it's anything like the OnePlus 11 concept, it's sure to be a hit. So, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.